Just listen. No pausing, no repeating, no studying. Put it on while you cook, commute, or relax, and let the English come to you naturally. That's it. Today, we are at a clothes shop. Someone looks for something to wear to a party. A shop assistant helps a customer find the right size, and two friends shop together. Everyday English, slow and clear. Let's begin. The clothes shop is warm and bright. There is music playing, not too loud. The shelves and rails are full of clothes. Jeans, jumpers, dresses, jackets. Everything is organized by color and size. A woman comes in. Her name is Nina. She has a party next Saturday. She needs something to wear. She does not know what she wants. She just knows she needs something new. She looks at the dresses first. She takes one from the rail. It is red. She holds it up and looks at it. Then she puts it back. She takes a blue one. She looks at it. Maybe. A shop assistant comes over. Her name is Jess. She is young and friendly. "Can I help you?" Jess asks. Nina smiles. "I hope so. I have a party next week. I need something nice to wear, but I do not know what." Jess nods. What kind of party is it? Is it formal or more relaxed? Nina thinks. It is a birthday party at a restaurant. Not too formal, but not casual either. "Okay," Jess says. She looks at Nina. "What colors do you usually like?" "I like dark colors," Nina says. "Dark blue, dark green, not red or yellow." Jess nods. She walks along the rail. She takes out a dark green dress. It is simple. Long sleeves, not too short. "What about this?" Jess says. She holds it up. Nina looks at it. "Oh," she says. "Yes, I like that. Can I try it on?" "Of course," Jess says. "The changing rooms are just there." She points to the back of the shop. Nina takes the dress. She walks to the changing rooms. She tries it on. She looks in the mirror. She turns to the left. She turns to the right. She smiles. Yes, this is the one. Near the jeans section, a man is looking at a pair of jeans. He has two pairs in his hands. He is not sure which size to take. A shop assistant called Tom is nearby, organizing some shelves. "Excuse me," the man says. "Can I ask you something?" "Of course," Tom says. He comes over. "I usually wear a size 32 in jeans," the man says. "But these two pairs are both 32 and they look very different." He holds them up. One looks much bigger than the other. Tom nods. "That happens," he says. "Different brands have different sizes. A 32 in one brand is not always the same as a 32 in another." The man frowns. "So what should I do?" Tom takes one pair of jeans and looks at the label. "This one comes up small," he says. "I would go a size up. Try a 34 in this one." "And the other one?" the man asks. Tom looks at the other pair. This one is more standard. "A 32 should be fine." The man looks at both pairs. "Can I try them on?" "Yes," Tom says. "The changing rooms are just over there." He points. "Take both, then you will know." The man takes the jeans to the changing rooms. He tries on both pairs. The first pair in size 34 fits well. The second pair in size 32 also fits. He looks at himself in the mirror. He likes both. He comes out of the changing room. He walks back to Tom. "Both fit," he says. "But I can only take one today," he thinks. "I think I will take the second pair." "Good choice," Tom says. They look great. Near the back of the shop, two women are shopping together. Their names are Rachel and Beth. They are good friends. They come to the shop often. It is one of their favorite things to do on a Saturday afternoon. Beth is holding a yellow jumper. She holds it up against herself. "What do you think?" she asks Rachel. Rachel tilts her head. "I don't know," she says. "Yellow is a difficult color." Beth puts it back. "You are right." She moves along the rail. She takes out an orange one. Rachel shakes her head immediately. No. Beth laughs. Okay. She puts it back. What about this? She takes out a cream jumper. Simple. Soft looking? Rachel smiles. Yes, that is nice. Beth holds it up against herself and looks in the small mirror on the wall. I like it too. She looks at the price tag. It is 35 euros. That is not bad, Rachel says. Beth puts it in her basket. What about you? She asks Rachel. Are you buying anything? Rachel is looking at some scarves. She picks up a dark red one. Maybe this, she says. She wraps it around her neck and looks in the mirror. Oh, yes, Beth says. That looks really good on you. Rachel smiles. She looks at the price. 20 euros. She puts it in her basket too. They look at each other. Okay, Rachel says. I think we are done. Beth laughs. We always say that, and then we find more things. Rachel laughs too. This time I mean it, she says. They walk toward the checkout, their baskets in their hands, still talking. See you next time. Next episode, we are at a bus stop. Someone asks about the right bus to take, a driver helps a passenger, and two strangers wait together in the rain. Same slow pace, same simple English. See you then.